There are lots of ways to keep in touch with loved ones while visiting restrictions at the QE Hospital in Gateshead apply. You can send a message to a loved one. If you would like to send a message to a loved one, please send a message, letter or photograph to a patient at the Queen Elizabeth Hospital via email at ghnt.messagetoalovedone@nhs.net. All letters, messages and photos should be a maximum of 1 page of A4 per day. Our patient experience team will do its best to ensure all patients receive messages between Monday to Friday. Those without access to email should instead call with a short message on 0191 445 6047 or 0191 445 6129 between 10 a.m. till 12 p.m. Monday to Friday. To make sure we get your message to the right person, we'll need you to include your email, the patient's name, the ward number or name the patient is on, either the date of birth or the address of the patient. If we are unable to verify these details, we unfortunately will not be able to deliver the message. Please note that all letters will be screened by the patient experience team before they are printed and given to a patient. Each ward has been issued with an iPad for virtual visiting. These allow patients to use Skype or FaceTime to video call their relatives. Our devices do not allow for incoming calls, so if you would like a relative to contact you via the iPad, please contact them first via message to a loved one to let them know your FaceTime or Skype account details. Please remember that our wards are very busy and every patient may not get a chance to video call every day. If a patient already has their own mobile, please video call them using their own device instead. We are also operating a Give and Go scheme, which is a new drop-off collection service for patients on our wards whilst visiting is restricted. We are operating a Give and Go drop-off service at the main entrance of Queen Elizabeth Hospital, allowing friends and family to deliver essential belongings to patients when they are on our wards. The operating times are Monday to Friday, 12 p.m. till 4 p.m. Please only bring one small bag that is sealed and marked with the patient's name, ward details and date of birth. Please try to ensure that only one person attends the hospital to hand in any belongings. We are also operating a Dear Friend scheme where you could be a friend and bring some happiness to someone in hospital. We know that not everyone will receive a letter or message from their loved ones while they are in hospital, and so we invite anyone, old or young, to write an anonymous letter to someone in hospital. You can email your anonymous letter to a patient to ghnt.dearfriend@nhs.net. All letters will be screened by the patient experience team before they are printed and given to a patient. Do address the letter Dear Friend. Share general information such as hobbies, garden, seasonal anecdotes. Offer some reminiscent opportunities, your favourite places, childhood memories, favourite food. Consider drawing a picture of gardens, animals and pets, artworks, coastal views, etc., all to help stimulate conversation and memories. Ask questions to encourage the patient to think about their own lives. For example, what's your favourite meal? Encourage the recipient to follow government guidance on keeping themselves safe. Keep your message or letter to a maximum of one side of A4 of paper. Sign your name with your first name only. Please do not add any details that will identify you specifically, such as a full name, address, date of birth, age, etc., or be political or share conspiracy theories.